Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated makeup routine, and your girl has gotten a way better, okay? So just stick around, watch the video, hope you guys enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do. I'm not really going to be talking. If you guys want a more detailed video, just let me know down in the comments, and then I'll make a more detailed video where I'm going step by step of what I'm doing.
Things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you. She talking about is come and see me first. Come and see me first. She don't ever come to me. She don't ever come to me. How she hit me with it? Come and see me first. Come and see me first. Y'all don't ever come to me. Y'all don't ever come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. He could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I was decorated. Things getting
So this is the final look. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if I need to improve on anything. I've definitely got better when it comes to makeup. I've seen it. Thank you. Thank you. I know. But I don't know. I feel like it could be a little better, always. So just let me know down in the comments what I could do differently, or if the shades are not matching, just let me know. Talk to me down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Mwah.
Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludicrous on the track, get back, trick switch on the like I'm Texan Steve.